Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight I'm going to show you some snacks and cough drops. The first one I'm going to show you is lemon honey cough drops. Next one I'm going to show you is wild cherry cough drops. Next I'm going to show you is cheese on cheese and crackers. And another cheese on cheese and crackers. Them are the snacks and cough drops that I prefer. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've enjoyed. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Outside of the warm weather, doing pretty good. But we got a cool down now, and it's 53 degrees outside, and I'm glad to see the cool down, because I can't take the heat. I prefer it staying cool. I cannot take all of the hot weather. Can't do it. Can't do it. If you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments, section, down below. And I'll show you those items. Also, if you like the video, leave down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, a relative, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And always be kind and true to others. Always have love in your heart. Always treat people with respect. And always help out your family and friends in time of need. Always. And do not forget to do those things. Don't forget. And always do what you can do in life to be there for everyone that needs you. Always. Always. It's always good to do those things. Yesterday, I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, spend time with my mom, my family, and friends, sit under the air, watch some movies, relax, and waited on time to do the video. That's what I done yesterday. Tomorrow, I'm going to be busy again, looking up more items for more videos. If you have a birthday or a special occasion, leave down in the comments. I'll give you a birthday shout out and announce one of your outings if you want me to. Like I said, at the end of the month, I'm going to be getting in some more new items to show you. So, be ready when I show you those new items. Then the following month, more brand new items to show you. Following month, more new items to show you. And plus, all of the other items that I've got to show you. This is not all the stuff that I got. This is not all the stuff that I've got. Trust you me. This is not all. All of my items that I own, I've gotten for birthdays, Christmases, what other people didn't want, what my family didn't give me, what I bought in the stores. Out of each item that I've shown you is all good merchandise. Good merchandise. It's all good merchandise, folks. Like I said, I've got shelves and shelves and shelves full of items to show you. So be ready. Be ready to see all kinds of merchandise. I've got it all. All kinds of merchandise to show you. Out of all of my merchandise, my favorite would have to be a DVD collection and a CD collection and a cassette collection. And when I get to my LPs, which is LP records, I'll like them when I start in doing them, showing you all of the records that I've got. So that will be on down the line. So I'd say right now, for his picks on the collections, I'd have to say DVD, cassette, and CD collections. My favorite type of movies is comedy, romance, thriller movies, and documentary movies. all of the stuff that I've shown you out of all of my DVD movies, all of my CD albums, all of my cassette tape albums, and soon I'll get to my LP record albums and show you those. So, then plus the new items. So, I've got different types of items still yet to show you. Remember to always like, favorite, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.